guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 of our 100 DIY gift ideas with your Cricut. This part of the video is for stocking stuffers. Although I have one Pinterest board, that's 2. I have one Pinterest board for you to look at all of these ideas, but we'll have some photos over here so you can get an idea before you have to go look at the Pinterest board. But if you're still stumped after this, that's a lot. I kind of tried to cover a lot of ideas for you. So let's get going because I have a feeling this is going to take a second to get through all 50. But I promise you guys, they're good ones. All right, custom decals. Now maybe you have a friend who doesn't have a Cricut, but you do. They're gonna want some custom decals. Cut out their favorites of everything and give them some custom decals. Or again, usually for stockings, this is for our children. So I know for a fact that my kids love getting personalized stickers. They're already done and ready to go. You can even do this with iron-on and get them on, they can iron them onto clothing or their backpacks. Super fun for them. Socks, you can customize the bottom of socks. It's just a fun little thing. Nail polish, this can be paired with a print and cut tag or put inside of a cute jar with some vinyl on the outside. Jewelry, you can customize the outside of a jewelry box, or you can get creative and do an actual piece of jewelry. There's lots of ideas out there on how to do this. I have not come up with very good ones for you, but I will make sure there are some on the Pinterest board. Pop sockets, this is kind of across the board. I think everybody loves pop sockets these days. So you can do photos on them. You can also epoxy the outside of them. We will be having some pop socket fun on Follow Live Days. So make sure you check that series out from the 12th through the 23rd of this month, December, where we will be doing live videos with you guys and doing these crafts. Gift cards. Gift cards are always super fun. You can DIY a card for them to go in, or you can make really creative ideas to put your gift card in and then iron something onto them, or use vinyl if it's a plastic gift card holder. Get creative with the way that you give gift cards and then everybody's happy. Phone chargers, actually get extra phone chargers for somebody and put decals on them because that makes life so much easier for everybody. You've got extra phone chargers and then they're custom, so they're not gonna lose them because they know that they're their phone chargers. Keychains, there's lots of ways to do keychains as well. We may do some in Follow Live Days. However, if we don't, we will be doing them throughout the next year, but here's some ideas for you guys on Pinterest as well. Flasks, if you've got someone who loves flasks, you can do some vinyl on the outside. Super fun idea. They fit right in a stocking. Hairbrush, I know this is a great time to get new hairbrushes for the kids or just redo old hairbrushes that you've already, no, don't do that. Get new hairbrushes for them and put their names on them. I know the hairbrush war in our house can kind of get crazy, but if it has your name on it, you know that it's your brush and you're the one who might have left it in the fridge or where it's not supposed to be. Just saying, it's gonna help everybody out. Laptop decals, this kind of goes with the decals as well, but you can do something that has the little apple cut out of it, or it can be specific to the laptop lover, and you can make it for their laptop. Hand warmers, we're gonna be doing this in Follow Live Days where we cut out the fabric, we sew them together, we put the rice in them, and then you can put them in people's stockings. They are great for kids when they have early mornings and they just wanna carry something warm with them to school. They can pop them right in their backpacks, and then they can bring them home and redo it the next day. For those colder months, hand warmers are really fun. Luggage tags, you can pre-buy luggage tags and put vinyl or iron-on on them depending on what they're made out of, or you can make them with the maker by cutting out fabric and sewing them together and making luggage tags. Super fun idea. Nail file paper holder. Now this is just like a really cute idea to cut out some paper and fold it around a nail file, and then your nail file can stay in your purse and it doesn't get super nail residue all over the inside of your purse. That's really gross. But you can also do these out of fabric as well. A change purse, you can just get a custom change purse and decal on it, or you can make a custom change purse with your maker. You can use your maker to cut out the fabric and sew the change purse together, and then you can customize the outside as well. Hydroflask decals, people are obsessed with their Hydro Flask these days, and if you can make some cute ones for their Hydro Flasks, they're gonna love that. Rubik's Cube picture game, all you gotta do is take pictures and cut them in little squares. You can use sticker photo paper, which I have available on my website, shop.AuntieTay.com, and you can just cut the little stickers out, put them on a Rubik's Cube, and then when it gets all mixed up, you don't have to worry about putting it all back together because the individual stickers are their own little picture. Genius, because who has time to do a Rubik's Cube? Faux Polaroid pictures, you can do this with wood or you can do it with paper, and then you can use the Cricut to use its pen to write out on there, or you can do it with vinyl as well. These are super cute because people can hang them on a little board. You can also use our 50 gift ideas and do a board and then cut out the faux Polaroid pictures and put those on there as well. A lot less expensive than actually having Polaroid pictures, by the way. Stickers. I know I love stickers. My friends might love stickers. My kids love stickers. So print and cut a bunch of fun stickers for them to use throughout their year. Photo magnets, these are easy. You can do them with epoxy, you can do them with Mod Podge. You just need magnets, photos that you print and cut, and some sealer. And we may do those in live video, but I'm not sure if we will. Mini photo book, you can print and cut cute little photos and stick them inside of a little mini book and write out things that you love about that person or memories of that person. Super fast, super easy concept. Photo coasters, you can do print and cut onto whatever shape you need for a coaster. You can Mod Podge that onto. I've seen people do it with like tile samples from the hardware store, things like that, or little pieces of wood. You just need to seal it so water doesn't get in there. Personalized camera strap. I love this idea. You can take a camera strap and either make the camera strap with fabric, or you can get a fabric camera strap and you can iron on maybe their photography name if they're photographers, or just something cute if they just always have their camera with them and they love their camera. Nail decals. Now this is a kind of hard one if you don't know how to do it right off the top of your head, but you can do little tiny nail decals that people can put on and use with their nail polish. Custom eye masks. Now you can do this with the Cricut Maker by cutting out the fabric and sewing it together. You can also iron on something really cute to the outside. This is something I think I will have to do for my girls because they're super fun. Personalized guitar picks. You can take a guitar pick and just put a little vinyl decal on them. Another way for your kid to make sure that they know that they're theirs if they have like group setting lessons, things like that. Sunglass case and sunglasses. You can do the sides of the sunglasses, really cute. I've done Mickey Mouse on some before, but you can also do the case, the sunglass case. You can vinyl it if it's a hard shell case, or you can iron on if it's just a fabric case. You could also sew together a fabric case that you could use the Cricut Maker to cut it out and have the template all ready to go. Can koozies. These are always super fun and super easy. If you're like my husband and you love to brew beer and you like to give beer out, you can do that as a side gift. You get the koozie with it and it has the fun saying on the outside. Personalized pillowcase. These are just really fun for kids to have. You can do their big letter on it, or you can do husband and wives or boyfriend, girlfriend. Some cute personalized pillowcases you can do. And then they fold up and fit inside a stocking. Makeup bag. Just get a makeup bag and do the outside of it. Super fun, super easy. Felt bookmarks. You can cut felt out with the Cricut and sew them together, or you can just cut them by hand and iron on some cute things onto the felt. Felt crafting kits. We covered this in the last one, but you can do them mini scale style so they can fit into a stocking. Felt pencil toppers. Again, you can use that Cricut to cut them out and sew them together. This can also be a great DIY kit. You just cut out and get it ready to go for the kid or whoever you're giving these to. Chapstick holders. You can cut this with the Cricut Maker and sew them together and iron on something cute. And then you can also put them on a keychain so that they can hook on. Super fun. An iron-on patch. You can make a patch by ironing stuff onto a piece of felt and then putting heat and bond on the back, and then the person can iron it onto whatever they want to iron it onto. Iron-on decals. I kind of covered this in the beginning, but along with vinyl decals, you can do iron-on decals so that the person can put them on whatever they want as well. A scarf. You can iron on something cute to a scarf. Maybe it's just a plain scarf and you do some polka dots on it, or some leaves, something really cute. But you can also do a big scarf and do like somebody's favorite team or their college team or their fun name that they have, and make scarves for everybody. And then a personalized beanie, which can also go alongside your scarf. So if someone has their college or they have a fun nickname, or you need to do like a team DIY, you can get beanies for everybody and everybody can have their nicknames on the front. That would be super cute. Personalized tie. If you are a tie wearer and you love to sport those fun ties, somebody could make you, or you could make that person, a personalized tie by ironing on something fun, or you can even iron on something sentimental on the back so only they know it's there, but it's still personal and lovely for that person. Let's see, where are we? Days of the week, socks and underwear. I debated doing this one, but I thought it would be fun, and why not? You could do this all the way across the board. You can make your husband days of the week boxers. I think it's a great idea. And then your husband will never ask you, do these smell dirty? That just went too far. But you'll say, no, they say Monday on them and it's Wednesday. So yes, they're dirty if you're like me, you had those as a kid and you just picked whichever ones and you were like, I don't know why my underwear say Wednesday. It's Thursday. Okay, whatever. We digress. Beard oil. This is fun. You can do a DIY beard oil. There's lots of recipes and then you can customize the jar. I suggest etched vinyl. It would look awesome because it would look like you actually etched the bottle, but you didn't. You just used etched vinyl. Essential oil container. I know all my essential oil peeps out there need somewhere to put their essential oils, so make something cute. We have a cute SVG that says, we've got some oil SVGs, so you can check those out if you want to. Handmade soap with labels. You can print and cut labels for your soap and make them. Don't ask me to teach you how to do this because I've never made soap in my life and I have no desire to make soap. But if you do, this is something fun you can do. This would be a great gift for someone like me because I don't desire to make soap. So if someone gave me handmade soap, I would cherish that handmade soap. Homemade caramel, jam, etc. with custom labels. You can do print and cut labels for the tops of the jars or the outside of the jars with some twine, and then make that bad boy and give it, because I know if you make some caramel and you're not giving it to me, I'm gonna be sad. Name labels to sew into clothing. I just thought this was genius. So you can actually make the person labels with their names and then later on they can iron them on or sew them into their clothing so that you don't have to make them all throughout the year and you don't have to make them either. Somebody made them for you or you made them for somebody. Blank labels plus chalkboard markers plus twine. So you can take chalkboard vinyl, which we have at shopauntietay.com, and cut out cute shapes. Give somebody those pre-cut with some twine and some chalk pens, and then they can label all the things as they wish. So I hope that helped you guys. I hope that you got some ideas out of this video and our last video. Make sure to check it out because with it, you're gonna have so many ideas. I only did 2 gift idea videos this year because I wanted to cover across the board all in one shot. And again, the Pinterest board will give you more ideas as well. Check out our series, Follow the Live Days. It's gonna be up from the 12th through the 23rd of this month. We're gonna be live on YouTube every single day doing a fun Christmas craft. All right, I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.